Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the Windows File Search settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Privacy and Security button at the left side of the screen to show the privacy and security settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Searching Windows button to the right to show the Searching Windows settings at the right side of the Settings app window. To enable or disable Windows respecting your power settings when indexing files for searching, click the Respect Power Settings when Indexing toggle switch to set it to the on or off position as desired. To set the type of Windows file indexing, select the Classic or Enhanced option button under the Find My Files setting. If using Enhanced Search, a listing of excluded folder locations for which Windows will not return search results appears in the Exclude Folders from Enhanced Search section. To add a folder to this list, click the Add an Excluded Folder button in this section, navigate to the folder in the dialog box that opens, click it to select it, and then click the Select Folder button in the dialog box to close the dialog box and add the selected folder to the list. To remove a folder from this list, click its Options button at its right end, and then select the Remove command. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.